I used pH down and put 2 capfuls in, and that was enough to knock it down to 5.0, so that's where we want to be on the soak, is 5.0 on pH. The last thing to add in is a half tablespoon of microbes into the solution. This stuff goes a long ways. And get that mixed. Got a Woods timer. It's set up to water Monday, Wednesday, Friday for 2 minutes each, and that's all the more water it's getting. Okay, we had the Growpito soaking overnight. It only needs to soak for 4 hours, but because of the rain yesterday, we held it up. So I'm going to squeeze out 50% of the water and put that in the pots. And I'm going to fill them about 3/4 of the way full. Okay, I did mums, and because this peat moss doesn't hold water hardly at all, I cut off half of the roots, and I'll set that in there, press that down, and put Growpito in around that. Okay. Got my timer underneath my 5-gallon bucket, and I can run that. It runs Monday, Wednesday, Friday for just 2 minutes, and that's all the more water that it puts on in. This is what the final rig looks like. Reservoir on the bottom with solution in it.